Adding a new laser level to the kit. Dovoh 3-axis green laser level that says it's rated up to 66 feet of working distance. If you want to check it out, there'll be a link in the description along with a discount code. Go ahead and if you want to pick one up, click on that for me. It'll help me out a little bit, very little bit, but every little bit helps. Nice triple axis. Nice. Shoots all the way across. Oh yeah, clear. Clear, clear, clear. Comes with a mounting bracket. If you want to clip this onto steel. Nope, no magnet. Ooh, no magnet. Okay, so you have to mount it or put it off screw or glue your own magnet to it. Another one has a magnet, and it helps with steel stud construction. Incremental with a lock, so you can really dial it up and down. That's nice. Standard battery, charger. Nice big batteries too. USB-C charger. And then a target pad. And these target pads are great because this one has a picture frame where you can move it around. Say if you're doing kitchen cabinets, you can make sure, before your templater comes, that the face of the cabinet and the back of the cabinet are all perfectly in plane so that the countertop sits completely dead level and looks great when you're done. Also has a nice little magnet on here. So if you're doing maybe a lighting grid or an acoustical ceiling, you can just go ahead and clip that and then go run down your scissor lifter, your ladders, what have you, and just bring everything into the same exact plane so it looks dead on every time. So that's pretty cool. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to use this in a couple projects here coming up. So check it out. And then if it looks good in the next couple projects, check out the link. And definitely check out the next videos of me using it. And we'll get some real good on the job, real life after analysis instead of just a box opening. But other than that, I'm really happy with the box. Nice protective case. DC charger. It says it's not a charger, so I'm gonna see. It didn't mention what else it does, but I'm assuming you could run that off of a plug if you take the battery out, which would be really cool. And then also I noticed that the battery also has a weather seal, something that my red laser lines do not have. A little rubber gasket right there, which is just nice. So anyway, all right, y'all, stay tuned. Got some more videos coming up. Always working on them. And just trying to get them uploaded and posted. All right, cheers. Thanks, y'all.